Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. Follow the steps. First, you have to open the Instagram app on your mobile device, or you can go to the Instagram's website. And what you have to do is on the bottom right corner, there is your account. Simply tap on that. And after that, you have to edit your profile. You have to tap on edit profile, which is just right here. Tap on that. And you have the option to change your username right over there. You can simply just tap on that option, and here you could see you'll be able to change your username just like this. Instagram says that this user already exists, so you can prefer other digits to put. And after that, on the top right corner, there's a right icon. Simply tap on that in order to change your username, and it will take a few seconds. And after that, you just change your username and go back to your account. You can view your account like this, and here we could see we just changed our Instagram username. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.